Hey guys, this is Patty, and I'm here to show you my current situation. It is Wednesday, and it is a rainy Wednesday. Just want you to see, it's coming down. Here it is. It's just about an everyday thing this season. This is what the season brings, a lot of rainy days. Yep, rainy days. This is August. August is ending, and this is what we have. This is the season for all of the rain and the thunder showers. And guys, here it is. You can look for it about every day. Look at the skies. I didn't even let the yard man do the lawn on Tuesday, yesterday, because of the weather, so he just cut the shrubbery, and he's coming next week because we're supposed to have this type of weather for the rest of the week, so no need for him to cut the grass. It is growing like wildfire, and it's not supposed to be so rainy a couple of days next week. So, because if he had cut it yesterday, it would just be growing before you know it. So, here it is, guys. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen and more. Please like, give a thumbs up, ring the notification bell to be reminded of uploads. Have a great day. Be careful out there. And I will talk to you guys on the next video. And thank you for all of the love.